to hide transactions on Revolut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to hide transactions on your Revolut account. So first of all, just simply open your Revolut account. Just simply go to the Revolut official website, and after that just simply log into your account. And in order to log into your account, you need to click on the login section from the top right corner of screen, and from there you just have to enter your login details. It will basically ask you to continue with your phone number if you already have an account, and after that you just have to scan the QR code and open the Revolut app in your mobile device. And after that, in order to hide transaction in your Revolut account, all you have to do is just simply go to the hide balance settings, which will turn your balance blurry anytime you will quickly shake or flip your phone. This helps you keep your accounts private when you view them in public. You can quickly shake or flip your phone again to show your balance, which will make it unblurry. This setting is switched on by default, but you can turn it on and off in the settings app. So just simply go to your home screen and tap on your profile icon, and from the top left hand side of the corner of your mobile screen, and after that just go to the account section and tap on privacy and toggle the hide balance with the flip gesture on and off as per your liking. And that's how you will be able to hide transaction on your Revolut account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.